best free marketing strategies for your new business. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to share with you the best free marketing strategies for your new business. Now, whether you're just starting out or looking to boost your online presence, these strategies are going to help you reach your target audience and grow your business without breaking the bank. So let's jump right in and explore the 7 most effective marketing strategies that you can implement today. Social media is an incredible tool for promoting your business. Create engaging content, interact with your audience, and leverage the power of hashtags to reach a wider audience. Remember to choose the platforms that align with your target market and engage with your followers consistently. Content marketing, it's all about creating valuable and informative content that resonates with your target audience. Start a blog, share some helpful tips, create videos, or even host a podcast. By consistently providing valuable content, you'll position yourself as an expert in your industry and attract loyal customers. Email marketing is a powerful tool to nurture relationships with your audience. Build an email list by offering valuable content or exclusive offers, and then regularly send personalized and engaging emails to keep your subscribers informed and interested in your business. SEO, search engine optimization, is crucial for improving your website's visibility on search engines. Optimize your website by using relevant keywords, creating high-quality content, and ensuring a user-friendly experience. This will help you to rank higher in search results, leading to increased organic traffic and potential customers. Collaborating with influencers in your niche can significantly boost your brand's visibility. Partner with influencers who align with your target audience and have a strong online presence. By leveraging their influence, you can reach a wider audience and gain credibility in your industry. Don't overlook the power of local listings. Ensure your business is listed on popular directories such as Google My Business, Yelp, and the Yellow Pages. This will help potential customers find you easily when searching for local businesses. Networking, wow, that's an essential part of growing your business. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and engage with fellow entrepreneurs. Building genuine relationships can lead to valuable partnerships, referrals, and even collaborations. There you have it, the best free marketing strategies for your new business. Remember, consistency is key in implementing these strategies. Choose the ones that align with your business goals. And most importantly, don't forget to measure your results.
Maximize results, enhance deliverability, and manage campaigns efficiently with Success.ai. Unlock unlimited email accounts, automated warm-up, and an AI-powered writer for impactful messages. Join the League of Success Stories with 10 times leads and revenue. Start your 14-day free trial and discover why Success.ai is the industry's choice for hypergrowth.